orange, green, orange, blue, yellow, green, orange, green, red, yellow, orange, yellow, blue, orange, yellow, green, red, blue, orange, and blue.
Please introduce yourself and say what are you thinking about my seminar.
Hello, my name is Nathan Young, and I just have taken the InfoVision seminar with Mark, and I think it was amazing. I was able to pick up a ball out of a cup out of 50 different cups, and also seeing through my mask different colors at first, and then later even starting to see a little bit of a picture and following him around in the field. So it was amazing. At first it seems such a small thing, then you have to just believe, and just by believing it starts to open up more and more and more, and you just start to do amazing things that I just couldn't believe it. And I'm enjoying it. It's very fun to do, and then playing with the games and everything. So I'm amazed, totally amazed. I don't know what else to say. It's amazing. Just too many things I could think that this could be used for my martial arts, for my ability to understand when an opponent is about to come in, and I can immediately move quickly without thinking. And that's, I guess, the problem is thinking too much is a part of it. So I've learned a lot to not think and to just do, just like Bruce said, don't think, feel. So very similar, and I feel this is amazing training to do just the same way. So don't think, but to feel and to just let it happen.
Will you recommend?
I recommend the seminar to many people, like anyone who wants to take this and improve their vision, improve their knowledge of intuition, or their quick thinking, or their decision making. It's amazing for that. So please take the seminar and you'll definitely enjoy it.
Okay, thank you for your speech, and I appreciate it. You are a very talented student, and I believe that is just beginning of our relationship. We'll continue.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye now.
Bye bye.